Hello little scientist! Welcome to ALLEN IntelliBrain. Do you like summers? When you go out on a hot summer day, do you sometimes feel that your skin is literally burning? But have you ever wondered whether the sun's heat is really able to burn anything? Let's find out about this by performing an amazing activity. From your Intelli SMART Box, take out Reflection of Light Activity Kit. From the kit, take out concave mirror and tissue paper. You will also need a black marker pen from your home. Remember, this activity must be performed on a bright sunny afternoon for better results. Draw a small black square at the center of the tissue paper using the black marker pen. Like this. Now, take the concave mirror and tissue paper out into the sunlight. Hold the concave mirror in one hand and the sheet of tissue paper in another hand, opposite to each other. Tilt the concave mirror towards the sun so that the sun rays incident on it are reflected onto the tissue paper. Observe that a real image of the sun is formed on the tissue paper. Move the tissue paper back and forth so that all the reflected sun rays converge at the black mark with a small bright spot. This is the focus of the concave mirror and the sun's image is the brightest at this point. Hold the concave mirror and sheet of the tissue paper steadily in this position. After a few seconds, the sun rays start burning a hole in the tissue paper. If the tissue paper starts burning in flames, it is recommended to drop the paper from your hand immediately. Concave mirror is a converging mirror. This means it focuses the incident light rays at a point. When a beam of parallel light sun rays strikes at the concave mirror, it is reflected and converged to a point, the focus or the focal point of the concave mirror. The converged sun rays set the tissue paper on fire. The concave mirror is a converging mirror and hence focuses incident light at a single point. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.